Coronavirus isn't the only invisible enemy threatening Britain's way of life. Disinformation about the disease, some of it allegedly spread by pro-Russian media, is also causing concern. The Armed Forces Minister has started using his own Twitter feed to dispel fake COVID-19 news.
I think most of the instances are people just getting the wrong end of the stick. There'll be a couple of things where people have sort of seen videos of tanks on the motorway and thought, well, here's an opportunity to stir up some trouble. And then, of course, there is the reality that there will be people who are doing this very deliberately to sow disinformation, to erode trust in the UK government. And that's something that, as a government, as an MOD, we're very aware of. We need to try to tackle. But the priority is to tell people where they can go to get information they can trust.
The coronavirus has made headlines around the world since it first appeared in China last year. This Russian outlet suggests Britain had a vaccine a year ago. It also repeats false rumours linking British scientists to the Salisbury spy poisoning. And this clip tries to draw a link between COVID-19 and the opium wars between Britain and China. This EU report, published online, identifies more than 110 cases of what it describes as corona-related disinformation by pro-Kremlin media outlets. This internal EU document goes further, accusing Kremlin disinformation of seeking to aggravate the public health crisis in Western countries. Moscow denies the claims, accusing the EU of being the ones peddling the fake news. Yet critics accuse Vladimir Putin of exploiting moments of crisis, supported by Russian state media.
There's been a pattern going on for years now of anti-Western and conspiratorial content going around, particularly in the Russian media and particularly in the Russian language. And it looks like the main goal is really to make the Russian government look better by making everyone else look worse.
The coronavirus crisis is a breeding ground for fake news. Another front line in this unprecedented fight. Deborah Haynes, Sky News.